Alright guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 updates KB5066835 or KB5066128 not installing with errors 0x87036, 0x800, F081F, or 0x800, F0983. We will try all working methods step by step, running the Update Troubleshooter, resetting Windows Update components using the DISM and SFC commands, and finally manually installing the update from Microsoft's catalog. First, let's start simple. Open Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot, and choose Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Wait until it finishes detecting and fixing any problems. Restart your PC and try installing the update again. If that doesn't work, we will reset the update components manually. Click the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Now type these commands one by one: netstop, wuserv netstop, cryptsvc, netstop bits, netstop msiserver. After that, restart the stop services with netstart wuserv, netstart cryptsvc, netstart msiserver. Now close the window and restart your PC. If the update still fails, let's repair the system image. Open Command Prompt again as administrator and type DISM online cleanup image restore health. Wait for it to reach 100%, then type SFC Scan now. This will scan and repair any corrupted system files when it finishes reboot and check for updates again. Now, if you're still getting the same error, we will manually download and install the update. Go to the Microsoft Update Catalog website, search for the update number, for example, KB5066835, then download the one that matches your system version, double-click it, and install it manually. After installation, restart your PC. Finally, make sure your Windows date and time are correct and disable any third-party antivirus temporarily before installing updates. That alone fixes it for many users. That's it. One of these methods will definitely solve the update installation error on Windows 11. If the video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.